Okay, so that's that complete. It's a very nice little build. Now, these are the spares. Right. I store my little spares in packets of money bags. Alright, keeps them safe. This is what I do. I'm putting all the Lego back. In the box. That goes back in there. I throw out. That gets thrown out. Just thrown out. That's it. Very nice space cruiser. Thank you for watching.